Welcome. In this video, I'll talk about loops in Python. Let's start. What if we want to repeat anything many times? Like if we want to print numbers from 1 to 100, we will not write print 1, print 2, print 3 and so on for print 100. We're going to create a loop for repeating this process multiple times or any number of times we want. In Python, there is some loop types like while loop, infinite loop, for loop, and nested loop. Let's see every one of those types and with some examples. The while loop repeats a statement or a group of statements while a given condition is true. If tests the condition before, it tests the condition before executing the loop body. Let's see the syntax here. Let's get a pen. This is while. This is an expression or a condition here. However, this condition is true. This statement will be executed. All these statements will be executed. Okay. Let's see this example. Here I type x equal to 0. Then I said while x equal x less than 10, print x, then x plus equal 1. This is our condition here. This is our condition, and this is our statement or statements. This is the body of the loop here. Okay. Here first in the memory, the x will be saved to 0, x variable, and its value here equal to 0. Okay. Then while x less than 10, x less than 10, yes, because x equal to 0, we will print x, we will print 0, and we will plus x with 1, the 0 will be 1. And we will move again to say this condition here, x less than 10, yes, because x equal to 1, we will print x, we will print 1, and we will create x with 1, and x will equal to 2. We will go again to the condition, x less than 10, yes, because x equal to 2, we will print 2 here, and we will give x 1 more, x will equal to 3, and so on. When we get 9 here, we will give it 1 more, x will equal to 10. We will go to the condition, x less than 10, no, because x equal to 10, there is nothing gonna to happen here, the loop is gonna to stop like this. Let's try this in our Python shell. If I type here x equal to 0, then I said while x less than 10, I type print x, then I said x plus equal 1. I run using run module, we can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. First, it will save this in memory and it will check this condition here. However, x is less than 10, it will print x, then it will give x 1 more value. The x is gonna to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Okay. In Python there is no brackets, we will use indentation here. Do not forget to write this here. Okay. How while work? Let's see this flowchart. This is our condition here. The code will be executed from here to get here. This is our condition, x less than 10. While expression or statement is true, there is a conditional code here which equal to print x, then x plus equal 1. However, this condition is true, this code will be executed and executed 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. When this expression is false, the code will go from here, here. Okay. When this condition is true, however x is less than 10, this conditional code will be executed and go into the conditions again, and when this condition is true, it will move down to the end of the code. Okay, and exit loop. Infinite loop. A loop has no end, used in gaming, GUI, network and so on. Let's see this example here. Here x equal to 0, then I said while x less than 10, we will print x. First it will save the value of the x here in memory with 0. When I say while x less than 10, yes, x less than 10, we will print x here. Then it's gonna to check the condition again. X less than 10, yes, is print x, and so on. This will print 0. We have to press Ctrl and C from keyboard to stop the interpreter. Let's try this in our Python shell. If I comment this using hashtag, this code here is not gonna work because I commented it using hashtag sub. Okay, let's run our code. If you can see here 000, I'll press Ctrl C to stop this interpreter right now. Okay, else was while. Else give you more option. Let's see this example. If I set x equal to 0 and then I said while x less than 10, print x, then give it x one more value. If else, here we will print x bigger than 10. Let's try this in our Python shell. Let's remove this comment here and let's add the same value here. Okay, then I'll say else print x bigger than 10. Let's save, let's run. This will print 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and when x equal 11, this will print x bigger than 10. Here it will move through this here, we'll save the x here with value of 0 like this, and while x is less than 10, it will print x 0 and will give x one more value to be 1, then to be 2, and so on. Print. And when x equal to here, and when x equal to 11, will move it will exit from this while loop and go to else, and then it will print x is bigger than 10 like this. Okay. Single while statement, a while loop in one line. Let's say this example. I said here x equal to 0, then I said while x less than 10, print x, then semicolon here, x plus equal 1. Let's try this on our shell. I'll do something, the triple quote here to make multiple or many number of lines of comment. Then I set x equal to 0 and I'll write while x less than 10, print lx, semicolon, x plus equal 1. Let's save, let's run. This will print the same value here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and it will exit the loop. In the next video, I'll talk about nested while in details. Hope you like this video and see you next one.